Welcome to Lead Tutors Extra-Murals. I am Kami and I will be taking you through the English questions. Let's begin with questions from 2018. Is a passage. Now let's answer the questions from this passage. Question 1. According to this passage, it gives the child great pleasure. You have options A to D. The correct answer is option B, to destroy the tower himself. What other feeling does the child derive from the fall of his tower apart from pleasure? The correct answer is strength. How does the author try to explain this destructive stage? The correct answer is it grows out of the child's recent experiences of sudden falls. The expression must kick it and make it collapse in this context means the correct answer is cannot resist the urges to demolish it. Question 5. The passage manic pleasure means the answer is unlimited pleasure. And here we have passage 2. Let's take our time to read this passage. Questions from the second passage. From the way the story ended, it can be concluded that there, option A is the correct answer. The lamb did not survive the encounter. Question 7. The expression, when this excuse failed him, suggests that the wolf only made up charges leveled against the lamb. Of course, that is the correct answer, A. Question 8. The charges leveled against the lamb are, option D is the correct answer. They are pollution, insolence, obstruction, and aggression. Question 9. The expression anger tone and terrible aspect refers to the wolf's harsh voice and menacing posture. Which of the following aptly describes the moral of the story? Option B. If you have made up your mind to hang your dog, any rope will do the purpose for you. Over to lexis structure and oral forms. In each of these questions, 11 to 20, choose the option that best completes the gap. Question 11. I shall find time for my dash when I get dash with this difficult assignment. So you have options A to D. The correct answer is past time. You can see the past time are together for the first dash, and then you have through for the second dash. So let's take the question again. I shall find time for my past time when I get through this difficult assignment. Pastime is an activity that is done for enjoyment. So after the difficult assignment, this person will have pastime. Question 12. After so many trials, the experiment dash. The correct answer is paid off. Question 13. All God's prophets were given the great dash to preach salvation to people. The correct answer is A, commission with double S, double M, and double S. 14. The chairman refused to shake dash with the secretary. You have options A to D, and the correct is C, shake hands. Question 15. Wherever the leader went, people struggled to catch a dash of him. The correct answer is glimpse. Catch a glimpse of him. Question 16. Mrs. Okoro dash in this school since 1975. The correct answer is has been teaching. Mrs. Okoro has been teaching in this school since 1975. Question 17. I was seriously disappointed when the dash between the two teams ended in a goalless draw. You have options A to D, and the correct one is option C, match. When the match between the two teams ended in a goalless draw. 18. The young man looked carefully at the long document, but he couldn't make dash what it meant. Answer to that question is B. He couldn't make out what it meant. To make out means to understand something. Question 19. Question 19. While the worshippers closed their eyes in prayers, a thief made dash with the collection. The thief made away with the collection. 20. If you keep playing with this door handle, it will get dash. The correct option is lose.